First of all, we are going to open Cinema 4D and we are going to import a 3D model. This model I have downloaded from Sketchfab. Import, okay. So as you can see, our model is too small. So we just need to resize our model. So we select the model and we go to select scale and scale the model. We will need a reference, a human figure. So we need to make it large. A little bit more. We go to different view to see the wireframe and the scale. A little bit more large, and I think this is enough. So we set it on the axis properly. As you can see, the geometry is still not correct. So to fix this, we go to remesh and we increase the mesh density to around 500. I think this is quite good. So as you can see, our geometry is now done. So we make it editable and add a plane to collide the object. So we adjust the plane, the scale. I think this is quite perfect. So we select plane, we go to simulations and we make it a collider. And we go to object simulations and make it a cloth simulation. So as you can see, our cloth has been applied, but our timeline is too short. So we need to increase our timeline around 420. As you can see, your cloth has been affected and it's falling down. We need to start from here to inflate the object. So first we will need to subdivide for a proper simulations, so we can get more detail out of our object. So once you are satisfied from the position of your object, you can select cloth. You go to we need to make it editable. Go to curve. We apply vertex map. We invert. We add the field. We make it minus y-axis. Adjust the scale of the linear field. And we will start from the bottom and we'll add the keyframe. So first, to make vertex map applicable, we need to select mix animation and select with pins. And now we're going to animate the linear field. So we are going to reapply our cloth simulation. As you can see, it is too deflated. So we are going to undo this because we need to make our subject editable. So we are going to apply vertex map first before applying the subdivision surface. So we add the linear field in vertex map and we animate a linear field first. So make sure the object is yellow, so the red is the effect applied after. So we start from yellow. So we go to frame 0, we select the keyframe, we go to frame 320 and we add another keyframe. But we need the effect to happen after the linear field passing through our object. As you can see, it's not affecting our object. So to do that, we go to cloth, we go to dresser, and we set the initial state. So our object starts from here. As you can see, play. So the initial state of our object is here. We try to make it inflate, so it is not too thin. Now we are going to apply the vertex map on our simulation. So we go to simulation with pins and we drag vertex map to map. And now when the linear field passes through, our object comes into in its original form. But as you can see, this our simulation is not working because of the balloon applied in it. So we try to decrease the pressure, and now we'll see if it does solve the problem. So it is inflating. No, the problem is still there. So to fix that, we're going to, I think, decrease the linear field. I'm going to see again if it works. Now we got the same problem, even worse. So to fix that, we're going to, I think, increase the linear field, if that works. I think it might not. So we just deactivate the balloon and let's see if it works now. So our object is being inflated, and yes, it's perfectly done. So now we just increase the timeline for the linear field, and we're going to cache and see how does it look. Yes, it works perfectly fine, and this is how you inflate an object. And the same thing you can do to deflate. So we're going to add another linear field. We're going to make a -y and animating the linear field. So at 274, and we're going to, so we need to start from red and go to all the way to yellow. So we start from yellow and we convert into red, and then we start from red and we deflate it to yellow. So we adjust this keyframe and we set up like this. Okay, apply. So we clear the cache and we cache it again. First we cache it again, yes. As you can see, your object has been deflated, not entirely, but if we increase the timeline, we can see our object has been properly deflated. So this is how you inflate and deflate any object. So we need to convert this animation into Alembic to export into another software. We can export into Blender. We go to Alembic, we set the frame and we save our file. So now here we are in the Blender, we import our Alembic file. Import Alembic. So as you can see, our file has been imported and it has been applied in a tracked footage. Let me show you in After Effects. I already made a tutorial on how to track a footage in After Effects and transfer it into a Blender. So I'm going to show you here just the overview of it. You can find the tutorial here. So we import our footage, we apply 3D camera tracker. At first we find a 3-point and we created a ground plane and origin, and after that we applied a solid, create solid, and then we copied the position and orientation of 3D camera and we pasted it here using A to blend plugin. You can find this add-on on its website. The link will be in the description. So we copy the position, orientation and scale of the plane and we paste it here. So as you can see, our plane has been pasted and we apply the shadow catcher on the ground plane. So it is transparent and it catches only shadows. So I will mask the shadows and object differently for the post processing work. It makes it easier, and I also applied sky texture for the environment. You can see the settings here. So as I move through, you can see our object has been properly tracked. So to mask it out, we go here and we select the masking option and we transfer the plane into another collection and object in another collection, so we can differentiate shadows and the object. And after rendering, we compose it in After Effects. So as you can see, after first our footage, then we apply the shadow, which is rendered separately. To match the shadows, I used curved in alpha to properly match the shadow. I'm still not 100% accurate, but it gets the work done. And tint to match the shadows color, and Gaussian blur to match the shadows effect. It is very little, but it works. Now we see our main object, which is being inflated. Some little color corrections, and we apply the green to have a certain look. As you can see, I applied curve, shadow and highlights. And this is how you inflate an object in Cinema 4D and Blender. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe.